It's Wednesday, second grade. Happy hump day. All right, we're still doing our 3+8 book. This is lesson 26, page 252 and 253. Making shapes. The directions say, read the problem, then explore different ways to make a hexagon. All right, do you remember what a hexagon is? We talked about this on Monday. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. All right, let's read from the yellow box. Meg has these shapes. How can she put them together to make a hexagon? All right, let's look down at the model it. Model it. You can make the hexagon with the same shapes. Both parts of the hexagon are the same shape. So if you look on the top, we have a trapezoid, and on the bottom, we have a trapezoid. So 2 trapezoids put together will make a hexagon. Okay? Let's look down at model it. You can make the hexagon with different shapes. Some parts are the same shape, but some are different. So we have 4 green triangles and 1 rhombus. A rhombus is a member of the quadrilateral family because it has 4 sides and 4 angles, just like a trapezoid. All right, let's look at the next page. Connect it. Name shapes that make a hexagon. All right. So let's read number 6. Look at the first model it. What shapes make up the hexagon? How many of each shape? We already talked about this a little bit, but let's go back and look. On the model it, we see the red hexagon is made up of 2 trapezoids. So let's write that. Trying to get my little box to come up. Well, we'll just write with yellow. The hexagon is 2 trapezoids. There we go. Trapezoids. Trapezoids. All right, let's look at number 7. Look at the second model it. What shapes make up the hexagon? How many of each shape? Let's go to the page before. The model it. We see that there are 4 green triangles and 1 rhombus. So let's go back and write that. Look at the second shape. What shapes make the hexagon? How many of each shape? So we're going to say the hexagon is made from 4 triangles and 1 rhombus. 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 All right. Now let's go to the next problem. Number 8. Find 2 new ways to make a hexagon. Use the shapes at the top of the previous page. Make a drawing to show each way. Then write how many of each shape make up each hexagon. All right, so we're going to use the shapes on the page before, and we're going to put them inside the hexagons to show how they can make a hexagon. And then we're going to write how many of each shape make up each hexagon? All right, so we'll go back to the first page first so you guys can see what those shapes were. And remember, you can be doing this on a notebook paper, or you can be doing this on this paper if you have it in front of you. If not, you can just draw these shapes with me. So we have a hexagon, a trapezoid, a rhombus, and a triangle. All right, hexagon, trapezoid. Here, I'll draw those right down here for you. If we can get our little tools to come up. No, maybe not. Okay. So we have a trapezoid, triangle, and rhombus. All right, not perfect, but I don't have my eraser. Looks like a kind of a crooked square. So let's see how we can put those in these hexagons. All right, I'm going to do this first one. Let's see. I'm going to cut it in half first. So those are 2 hexagons, but now I'm going to make a triangle and another triangle. So now, instead of 2 trapezoids, I have a rhombus, and 2 triangles. So 2 triangles and 2 rhombus. RHOMBUS. That was for the first one. Now let's make the second one. On this one, I think I'm going to try something different and just use... Here, let's see. Let's cut it in half again. I'm going to leave the bottom a trapezoid, and I'm going to make some lines at the top to make 3 triangles. So 3 triangles and 1 trapezoid. TRAPEZOID. All right. Let's look down at the bottom. Try it. Try another problem. Show how to make the shape 2 different ways. Use the shapes shown at the top of the previous page. All right, I'm going to do one of these and then let you guys do the next one on your own. So we're going to be doing the same thing. We're going to show how to make this shape 2 different ways using the shape shown at the top of the previous page. So those are still our shapes right here. Our trapezoid, our triangle, our rhombus. Okay, let's see. Oh, I see that if I put this one in half, it's 2 rhombus, where I can make a line right here, and there's a triangle. And if I make another line right here, so there would be 2 rhombus and 2 triangles. I'm going to leave the second one for you to do. So draw that shape on your paper and then make some lines on it to show those shapes on the previous page. All right, guys, I hope you're having fun learning about shapes and recognizing them and drawing them. I will see you tomorrow for the next page. Bye.